This video is about balancing the ball on the racket and developing your control over the racket head. A few balancing challenges now. To start off with, just right in the middle of the racket. See if you can do it without the ball moving at all. Still as possible. Next, you're going to see if you can move it around the racket, around the outside of the edge, keeping the ball on the strings all the time. Probably going the other way as well. Now, you're going to see if you can flick the ball up into the air and catch it. No spin on the ball at all. It's just going to go straight up, straight down. Just very gentle. Racket up and down with the ball itself. The ball doesn't bounce too much and the ball doesn't spin very much. So now you're going to flick the ball up. Let's see if you can get the ball spinning in the air a little bit as well. So either forward spinning or to the side, spinning up into the air and then catching. Okay, so not throwing it too high in the air, but just trying to get a little bit of spin on the ball as you flick it up. You're going to bounce and catch here and balance, or you can see if you can go up and no bounces at all, but trying to get the ball to bounce on the racket this way this time. Now we're going to go round the body, trying to keep the ball on the strings. You can move your hands different parts of the racket, do what you can to get the ball round the body, back to the other side again, round the body the other way. Definitely more difficult that way for me. The next one, so instead of going round the body, we're now going to go figure of 8 between the legs, trying to keep the ball balanced on the strings the whole time. Let's try that again. And there we go. Over to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It really does mean a lot to me. If you found any value in the content and found it useful, then please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help more people like you find this content. So I really appreciate your support. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can do so now. As well as if you're interested in any other videos that I've created, there'll be one next to me popping up in a second. So check that one out next. Until next time, goodbye.